Myth is not a lie, but a subjective truth, a way cultures make sense of the world. Hindu mythology is a vast ocean of stories, symbols, and rituals that have shaped millions for millennia. These tales help us explore profound questions. Where do we come from? Why are we here? They're not literal history, but a language of the soul, metaphors for ideas too big for facts. Hindu creation stories offer not one answer, but many perspectives, like facets of a diamond. This tradition embraces ambiguity, using allegory to glimpse the divine, Brahman, which is beyond comprehension. These stories aren't just for scholars. They invite everyone to wonder and find meaning in existence. They're maps for the inner landscape of consciousness. In this journey, we'll travel to the cosmic dawn, before time and space, to meet the gods who dreamed the universe into being. We'll see how creation is a continuous cycle, not a one-time event. These aren't just tales of distant gods. They're about the forces within and around us every day. Let's approach these stories not by asking, is this true? But what truth does this reveal? When we do, we see the world as a living divine play, a Lila. The stories of the cosmic dawn invite us to participate, to understand our role, and to marvel at the mystery of life. This is the transformative power of myth. Before the beginning, there was only stillness. No light, no darkness, no time, no space. Hindu scriptures call this Brahman, pure oneness, the source of all existence. The sages described it by negation. Neti, neti, not this, not that. Like a seed holding infinite potential, the universe was unmanifested. Then, a subtle vibration arose. I am one, may I become many. The universe blossomed from stillness, a conscious awakening. And so, the grand drama of existence begins. As Brahman desired to become many, it manifested as the Trimurti, the Holy Trinity of Hindu gods. Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer, are not rivals, but three faces of one reality. Each embodies a cosmic function: creation, preservation, and transformation. Brahma, with 4 heads, symbolizes the creation of all directions and knowledge. Once he sets the universe in motion, his role recedes. Vishnu sustains order and balance, intervening as avatars like Rama or Krishna when chaos threatens. He is the calm presence, nurturing all creation. Shiva, the destroyer, is the force of renewal, dissolving the old to make way for the new. His dance, the Tandava, is the rhythm of creation and destruction. Destruction is not negative, but necessary for transformation. The Trimurti represents the eternal cycle at the heart of existence. Creation, preservation, and destruction are always in motion, within the cosmos and within us. This is the dance of life itself. One profound creation story begins with Vishnu floating on the cosmic ocean, Ananta Shesha, the endless serpent. Vishnu sleeps in Yoga Nidra, dreaming the universe within his consciousness. From his navel emerges a lotus, symbolizing purity and divine potential rising from the depths. Seated on the lotus is Brahma, awakening alone in the vastness. Brahma searches for his origin, climbing down the lotus stem, but finds only mystery. This quest mirrors our own search for meaning. A voice urges Brahma to meditate. Through meditation, he realizes his source is Vishnu. The lotus bridges the unmanifest and the manifest, connecting divine consciousness to creation. The story teaches that the material world is a projection of higher consciousness. Even from darkness, beauty and wisdom can blossom. Creation begins with awakening and self-realization. Understanding his purpose, Brahma begins creation from his lotus throne. He forms the 5 elements: space, air, fire, water, earth, the building blocks of all matter. Brahma establishes natural laws, the movement of planets, and the passage of time. He creates realms, heavens for gods, earth for mortals, and netherworlds for other beings. From his mind, he brings forth the first sages and the Prajapatis, lords of creatures. Creation is trial and error. At first, beings are immortal but static. So Brahma introduces desire and death, setting the cycle of life in motion. Duality, light and dark, pleasure and pain emerges, making life dynamic and meaningful. Finally, Brahma creates Manu and Shatarupa, the first humans, and gives them the Vedas as a guide. With humanity's arrival, the cosmic play begins. The universe is now a living reality, each being on its own journey. Brahma's role as creator is complete. He watches as his creation unfolds. The story is a reminder. Creation is both cosmic and personal, filled with challenges and discovery. We are all participants in this unfolding drama. Hindu cosmology sees time as a great wheel, the Kala Chakra, turning through 4 yugas or ages. A full cycle, the Mahayuga, spans over 4 million years, ending and beginning anew. The Satya Yuga, or Age of Truth, is a golden era of harmony and spiritual enlightenment. Dharma stands strong. People live in direct communion with the divine. In the Treta Yuga, virtue requires effort, rituals emerge, and society becomes structured. The epic Ramayana unfolds in this age. The Dvapara Yuga, the Bronze Age, sees good and evil balanced, spiritual decline, and the Mahabharata's Great War. By the Kali Yuga, the age we live in, Dharma stands on one leg. It's an era of conflict, materialism, and spiritual darkness. Yet, even in Kali Yuga, hope remains. Simple devotion can lead to liberation. At the cycle's end, Shiva destroys and Vishnu returns as Kalki, ushering in a new golden age. The Yugas remind us that time is cyclical. Decline is followed by renewal. Every age has its challenges and opportunities for growth. The cosmic wheel turns, teaching resilience and faith. Even in darkness, the promise of light endures. The Yugas are not just cosmic epochs, but reflections of our own inner cycles. We move through ages of clarity and confusion, always returning to truth. The story of time is the story of transformation. The stories of the cosmic dawn are meditations on reality, not just ancient tales. They reveal a universe that is conscious, interconnected, and born from a single divine source. Whether as Vishnu's dream, Brahma's creation, or the golden egg, the message is unity. We are the universe experiencing itself. Everything is connected. These myths teach us to embrace cycles of change. Creation, preservation, and destruction are natural and necessary. The Yugas remind us that darkness is always followed by renewal. These stories offer hope, resilience, and a sense of cosmic optimism. They map our inner journey, searching for meaning, letting go, and growing. The gods are archetypes of forces within us. By understanding these stories, we understand ourselves and our place in the cosmos. The world is a sacred play. Our role is to live with awareness, joy, and love. These ancient myths are guides for living meaningfully, connected to the magic of existence. They are a timeless gift, inviting us to see the divine in all things.